Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to apply for agricultural loans via Lendio. Agricultural loans help farmers and agribusiness owners to finance equipment, lands, and seasonal operations. Here's how to apply through Lendio. First step, log into your Lendio account on the website. Now, once you're on your dashboard, click Apply for a Loan. Now just select agricultural loan from the available loan types. You're going to need to fill in your business details. That's your farm size, type of agricultural activities, as well as annual revenue. You also need to specify the loan purpose, such as could be buying equipment, seeds, or livestock. Go ahead and enter the loan amount requested and your preferred repayment terms. You're also going to need to upload supporting documents like business financial statements, tax filings, and land lease agreements. Also provide personal and business identification. That could be EIN, social security number, or farm registration. Be sure to double check the application for accuracy and completeness. And once everything looks good, hit submit application. And this is going to allow Lendio to match you with agricultural focused lenders. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.